Hi Marlene, it's Alex. How are you? I tried sending you a Zoom call, but I guess we weren't able to connect. But since I'm here at this property located at Willow Links, it's the one that you favored in Sarasota. I'm gonna give you a quick property tour. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It overlooks like these 2 ponds. The view is gorgeous. And I talked to the owner, and she's also willing to include all the furniture for the right price, so it's pretty much turnkey. So let me go show you what they've done so far. Let me flip this around. Okay, here's the updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances. They just redid this kitchen with shaker cabinets, granite countertops, really nice flow here to this kitchen. Because I've seen these units before, and they're pretty small, the kitchen, but they definitely did a really nice job of expanding it and making a very functional kitchen. This is one of the guest bedrooms. Granite countertops here as well. You redid the shower. Come out here to the living room. And this room right here, you've got the laundry room here. And that's your air conditioning unit, and the water heater was just replaced. So this all furniture is actually could stay with the unit, they said. Let me show you the master bedroom. Fairly big master bedroom, very spacious, a lot of bright light. I have no lights on in here whatsoever. It's just the natural light coming in from the windows. I'm going to show you what an awesome view that is. You have slider glass doors that lead out to the patio. So this would be the master bathroom. In here, we've got a huge closet. So what's nice about this unit, Marlene, is that you can actually rent this out 3 times a year. Okay. And you don't have to wait a certain amount of time before you rent it. You can purchase it and rent it away right away. And here's the sliding glass doors. Check out this view. So you wake up in the morning to this. What's nice is that this tree makes it very shady here. So you've got, it's all screened in, that side screened. This is screened as well, so you don't have any mosquitoes or bugs coming in. But it's a nice big balcony, screen-in balcony. And what's neat also is that if you see past, see a little sidewalk right over here, there's a golf course back here as well. But the location, you can't beat the location, Marlene. This is right in the heart of Sarasota, right by all the restaurants, all the stores. A huge mall here right by I-75. You're close to Lido Beach, St. Armand Circle. It's probably like a 30-minute drive to get to IMG from here. But let me show you outside. It's really a quiet neighborhood. So it's on the 2nd floor. Just a few steps, it's not high at all. This is the neighborhood. Really quiet neighborhood, and where my car is, that's your actual assigned parking. I'm outside right now, the unit. It's actually a corner unit. So your floor is upstairs, and you have nobody on the side over here, except on that side. But this is the corner unit, which is great. That's why you get so much bright, natural light inside your condo. Let me give you a quick glimpse of this community. They have a community pool here, so let me show you what it looks like. Really spacious pool. Hi.
You need me to get out?
No, you're fine. I'll just say you're like a mermaid swimming in the pool.
Oh, yeah, all right.
Go back up inside. Give you one quick glance of here again. Notice how they have the crown molding too. Kitchen has been recently redone. All the floors are tiled, by the way. There's no carpet. Okay, Marlene, I hope that helped out. I know that we have a 6-hour difference from Germany and the US, but I will call you tomorrow morning to follow up, or if not, once you receive this video, give me a call, and if you want to put an offer on our property, I'll do that as well. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.